All right, so the seat's out, and here's, where is it? It's behind the seatbelt. Okay, there's the harness, and you can see it runs under this rocker panel cover, which I had to, most of the screws are out. I just had to remove one, and then the clips. So that's out. And it actually looks like it's part of a bigger harness at this point, but I didn't really expect there to be a connector, but you can see it Y's off here. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, see there's a Y. So this is what I want. I'm not even sure really where the other half goes, so I'll just cut it off right here. That's the longest possible piece of wiring harness you can get. Alright, so here we are. I mean, it's longer than we need. Obviously, we're not going to go all the way under the seat to splice it. We'll just find a convenient place underneath the trunk. But, you know, you can always cut it shorter. So the longer piece you use, the better. And, I don't know. I'm thinking that might be 12 bucks. We'll find out. I'm going to go look for a third brake light for my charger. I actually need the camera, and it's kind of a long story, but let's go see what we can find.